Ban yo ya ki kubor bat ki jingtip hila ban subscribe ya ka FLOWDA MILES Channel. Kaseng Voice of the People Party tang hakini kitayo kibala laino kalayo ban penbanay ki kertong ki jongka bat way ni ki kertong ya kabagaseng kalibet ban pinyakun kalunguba jam saprang potam uban say kun na ka War Central Constituency hakini ka election MDC kaban sawan nakaliang gani ka channel kalayo ban wat ya ki katto kani kijing tip sapang uni urang ba udan menta kumbalay pusan snem karta bat ubasyong ubasa hagisnong nong talang mission. Uni orang ba ulayo ban pyndep ya ka metric na nong talang government secondary school ya ka class 12 pat ula pyndep na ka KGP higher secondary school Jawai. Ya ka bachelor degree in social work pat ulayo ban pyndep na ka Martin Luther Christian University Shillong. Bat uni orang ba ulabat artli ki master degree na artli ki school ba paunam kari India kata ka MA Social Work with Specialization in Community Organization and Development Practice uli ban pyndep na Tata Institute of Social Science Mumbai. Bat ya ka Master in Population Studies uli ban pyndep na International Institute of Population Science Mumbai. Uni orang ba uli ru ban tray ha ka Department of Community Medicine Nigrim ula tray ru como project officer jong ka IIPS Mumbai bat monitor ya ka National Family Health Survey ha Assam Meghalaya bat Sikkim udan ru ya ka sab bat sngewtynnad ha ka kam hikai bat ula sedang bandrung no sya ka academic bat tray como assistant professor ha ka Department of Social Work ha ka school ba USTM. Uni orang ba luya ruban tray ha ka National Health Mission Meghalaya como zonal program officer ban page ya ka jintray kam ka program comprehensive primary health care bat utray ru como cluster program manager ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong bat uni orang ba luya ru ban ai ka jing sakri ya ki briu ki balasya kta hau kniang jingpang HIV AIDS bat kumju ka jingele banyada ban te lakam ya ka jingibit bat sapriang uni ukniang jingpang.